Dear viewers, my well-wishers and my students, tonight I am going to discuss with you how to combine two or more than two simple sentences into one simple sentence by using some methods. And before entering the topic, I request all of you to subscribe my channel, to like, to comment and share. If you think that this video will come to your benefit at present and in future. However, there are many methods. For example, participle, absolute phrase. You may take your exercise book and pen and write them down. Participle, absolute phrase, adverbs and adverbials, preposition plus noun and preposition plus gerund, noun in apposition or phrase in apposition, and infinitive. All these are the methods. Just I am discussing with you, and take it as fun and try to listen to my lecture very attentively, carefully, without skipping a single line. Now, my first method is participle. Now, you may ask you, what is participle? First, I am giving you definition, then I will give you some examples. Then, what is participle? Participle is of two types. First of all, I am going to discuss with you. It is a verbal adjective retaining some of the properties of the verb. What are the examples? Again, I am repeating. What is the participle? Participle is actually a verbal adjective retaining some of the properties of the verb. For example, a barking dog seldom bites. Now, bark plus ing, it is present participle, barking dog. So, bark plus adjective, bark plus ing, barking, is used or is being used as the adjective of dog. How is the dog? A barking dog. So barking is adjective and its source is verb. So it is called a verbal adjective. An adjective which is produced from verb. Correct? Another example. A rolling stone gathers no moss. A rolling stone gathers no moss. Now, roll plus ing, rolling, and rolling is acting as the adjective of stone. How is the stone? That is rolling. So, rolling is verbal adjective. So, it is called participle. And it is called present participle. Participle acting as the verbal adjective. Clear? Now, participle may be perfect participle. For example, I was given a broken chair to sit. A broken chair. How is the chair broken? break, broke, broken. So broken is the verbal adjective, but it is the past participle form of break, but it is acting as the adjective to chair. Clear? During the rain, we took shelter in a dilapidated house. Dilapidated house. How is the house? That is dilapidated. Dilapidate, dilapidated, dilapidated. So this past participle form of the verb is being used as the adjective of the house. So it is called verbal adjective. And how are the types, or what are the types of verbal adjective? One is present participle and the other is past participle. But both are produced or originate from the verbs. Clear? Another example I may tell you. For example, I was watching the falling leaves. That means leaves which were falling. So fall, fell, fallen, past participle form. But falling, fall plus ing, it is being used as adjective to leaves. Clear? The children should not be allowed to pluck the blooming rose. The rose which is blooming. So bloom plus ing, present participle, and present participle is being used as the adjective to rose. So am I clear? So tonight I am stopping my discussion here, and another type of participle I shall discuss with you the next day. However, I am reminding you that I am discussing with you the methods of combining two or more than two simple sentences into one simple sentence by using some methods like participle, absolute phrase, infinitive, preposition plus noun and preposition plus gerund, adverbs and adverbials, and so other methods like noun in a position or phrase in a position. Clear? Now tonight I have discussed with you participle as verbal noun, retaining some of the properties of the verb, because these verbal nouns, these verbal adjectives have not lost all the properties of the verb. They are still verb, but verb plus ing is the present participle which is used as adjective, and past participle forms of the verb can also be used as adjective. Thanking all of you. Good night. Stay safe. Stay in a festive mood and try to follow my lecture. Don't forget to subscribe. Please like, comment and share.